So, how to sing like Phil Anselmo fast and easy? And this guy have a lot of details, so we're gonna be faster and easier much as possible. And the first one is how to do this deeper voice that he uses in floods, for example, a dead issue. So the thing is basically play with this burp song when you are imitating this burp. You are tired and talk like that, and then you try to go for more lower notes. Yeah. So play with this. The other thing is the distortion that he uses in medium and high notes. For example, he used to change his mouth shape to do this effect, and then he goes for the higher distortion here in the nose. This honk song. I got a video about it. And then do this mouth shape. My skin is cold. So you got this feeling in the voice. The other thing is he used a lot of scream. For example, in a Great Sounder Train Kill, the first track. So this I got another video about it. And also another technique he uses is the elephant whore. For example, in his cemetery gates, when he's doing the high note, it is the same position of the distortion here in the nose, but with the falsetto. But he put a little bit of the distortion and warm air to doing it. So he gets this effect. And he plays a lot of changing these vowels and play with a lot of techniques in one song. So that's the tips. If you like it, give a subscribe, let a comment, and also I'm gonna give you a gift, a free course of mine. Understand more about vocals in an easier way. It will be an honor if you want to have classes with me. Keep in touch. See you soon, buddy. See ya.